Hey friends, welcome back. It's MacKnz Marie, and here today we are going to be trying out the products that I recently bought. The Colourpop. It's the concealer and highlighter, and their Golden State of Mind palette. So we're gonna be trying those out, making a look and seeing how well they wear and if I like them or not. Right now I have foundation, blush, and I put some powder on. And that's it. So I'll be putting on some eyeshadow, some highlighter, some concealer, and I'll be doing my lipstick. So let's begin. Here we are with the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in shade Fair 02. Not really a scent, just the typical like makeup-y scent, I guess. So this is much lighter than most concealers that I have, so that'd be nice to see. I'll just start right there. I got a little concealer sponge to blend it out. This concealer dries really fast. I'm gonna put some like on my nose, right there. Put some on my forehead too. Oh, it took off some of the foundation underneath. Well, not fun. This definitely takes off some of the coverage underneath it. Like, it straight took off the foundation that I had on underneath it. Like, right there. You can see it. That's not a good sign. Didn't do too bad on my nose, but I don't know if it's my foundation, which I have on the Revlon Colorstay normal dry 130 Porcelain. As you can see, I've had this for a while, but never really usually have issues with it. So that's weird. Underneath my eyes, I mean, I can still see the dark circles, but I just have really dark circles. So let's see if it'll if I can build coverage at all, or if it'll just take it all away. I mean, I think I do see a little bit of a difference, so I'll continue on the other side. Yeah, that's taking the foundation right off my forehead. So I'm thinking that maybe this isn't going to be the concealer in which you can like highlight or put on forehead or any place where you already have like foundation underneath, which would be a sad thing. But when it's on itself, I feel like it is buildable, so that's nice. And maybe it's just some, like the formula is just very, it just dries really fast, so maybe I'm gonna have to try it more and see if it'll work better if I work faster with it, and we'll see how that is. But as so far right now, it's kind of I don't know if I'm gonna be looking forward to having to try and fix my foundation when it just takes it right off. So right now I'm thinking that I'm gonna have to try and continue to use it and see if me working faster with it will make it any better or not. Right now, it's kind of definitely not as good as Shape Tape. So I'm definitely gonna have to try and use it as, because I have the Fair 00 as well, right here. And I'm gonna try and use it as like a lightener for my foundations and stuff, and see if it works like that, because it'll be nice to have it for that. I'll let you guys know. So far right now, as a concealer, it's kinda, I mean, it's inexpensive. I think it's only $6, so for $6, that's not bad. I think if you're looking for concealer that has like a good amount of shades, I think just for the concealer, it's a good deal, but be careful when if you're gonna try and use it to contour and highlight. Okay, moving on to the highlighter. Here is the Colourpop Super Shock Cheek in Honeymoon. I'm excited for this. When I swatched it, it looked like fairy dust, so I personally will enjoy that. So let me take a highlight brush right here and dip it in. It definitely does look like glitter on the cheeks, so if you're not a fan of that, you will not like this. It's a lot more subtle than I thought it was going to be. I don't know if brush maybe, or, you know, it does build up though, so if you like it more subtle, then it's subtle, but then if you want to build it up and really make an impact and blind people, then you can definitely do that too. I'm gonna, on this side here, I am gonna use my finger and see if that has a better effect on it or not. It's really, really creamy though. Yeah. With my finger, it does have much more of an effect, so it's much more blinding when you use a finger. I'm gonna take the brush and do my forehead, and then my nose, and my cupid's bow, and a little bit of chin. It has a nice blue reflect to it and some purple. I like it a lot. That is definitely my cup of tea. I will continue to use that, and I'm excited. Now I have another highlighter. I just love them so much. Let's continue on to the next thing. The Golden State of Mind palette. Ta-da! Look at this. Gotta think of a way to use more than one. What I usually do is I just pick the ones that I'm like, ooh, that looks so good, I want to use it, and then I just use all those colors. They might not all go together, but that's the great thing about makeup, is that they don't have to. You can just play around and do whatever makes you happy. I'm gonna take this Tarte, it's a Tarte blush in Feisty in the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. I just like, it's the blush that I have on like right now, and it's a decent shade to as a transition shade, so okay. now that I got the transition shade done. So I'm gonna take this. I'm gonna take Lust in Time, this shade right here, and use it to deepen up my crease. I have it on the outer corner as well. I'm gonna take this purplish one. It is Head or Tails, and put that like on my lid. It's not as purple as I thought it would be. Definitely getting some fallout. I'm gonna take this one here called Uptight and put that more in the center of my lid. Gonna take my finger and see if that helps. It definitely does. I'm gonna take the first one, Golden Egg, right here, and put that for my inner corner. Oddly enough, Golden Egg looks very similar to the highlighter, which Colourpop, they look different, but in the pots, but on the skin, they look very similar. I'm gonna take a clean brush and try and blend them together. I'm gonna take the inner corner one and put it beneath my eye a little bit more. And continue it underneath my eye. And take Lust in Time and bring it down my eyelid, well, my under the eye, along the waterline. There we are. Brush away some of the fallout here. I'm gonna take some concealer and clean that up a little bit. Now I'm just gonna put some eyeliner and some mascara on off camera. Okay, here I am, I'm back, and I put some eyeliner on, which is the Physicians Formula Eye Booster in Ultra Black, some Ulta Plush Drama Mascara, and I also put some lipstick on. It was Ofra's Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick in Unzipped. Mascaras in Jet Black, forgot to mention. Okay, now that I'm all finished, I think the look has come together pretty well. I love the eye look. I think it's really pretty and feminine. I really enjoy the Golden State of Mind Colourpop eyeshadow palette. It's definitely my cup of tea. I love shimmers and metallics, and so this is a palette for me because they're all that, and I love that. The highlighter, I also really liked the highlighter. I know I'll be wearing it for makeup days to come and to special occasions, and whenever I just want an extra like pop, I'll definitely just slide it on my cheeks. And however, the concealers weren't my favorite. Definitely gonna continue using them and working with them and see if my thoughts improve. They're okay, but for $6, it's not too bad of a foundation. It's not too bad of concealer. So those are my thoughts. I hope you enjoyed, and if you have any of these products and you like them, or maybe you don't like them, let's converse. And if you want to comment, go ahead and comment down below. And if you like, please leave a like. If you want to talk, please leave a comment. And if you like my videos and you want to see more, please subscribe, ring that bell, and I'll see you guys soon. So, thank you, my dudes. See you later.